this is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. A very happy Sunday to you all. So, how are you all doing? All good? I know. Many of you are very excited about this new upcoming series in our channel. So am I. Here basically we will be preparing you for NTSC, and I'll be teaching you few tips and tricks that will help you crack it. So all I would require from your side is you guys have to follow the tricks and tips, and you guys need to practice, and you need to watch all the videos and do all the homework which I give you. That is what I want from your side. So together let us crack NTSC. So before we start talking about chalo will crack it, it is very important for you guys to know what exactly is NTSC. I'm sure most of you are aware about it, but let me just introduce you what exactly is NTSC. ठीक है. Okay. So what is NTSC? So before I start with that topic, so here is another question for you. So are you this kind of student who is facing these kind of problems like other students? Doubts, they are not getting resolved, notes and assignments, it's not enough, the test, we need a lot of tests in order to practice or master a certain topic. Choice of schedule, choice of language, choice of schedule, what exactly is it? So Surabhi ma'am comes every day at 5 o'clock, but you might have some other sessions, right? So the choice of schedule, I can prepare the schedule. You guys never had a choice when it comes to scheduling. But what if I say there is this one platform where you get to prepare your schedule? At what time you want to attend the session, from which teacher you want to be taught, and which chapter, which subject. So all those options, such numerous options. We have so many micro courses, almost 3,000 micro courses. You can choose any. We have different types of courses also, long-term course and crash course. When the exams are near, when you want to revise everything, we will help you do it. And very, very, very important point is in-class doubt solving. So there will be a master teacher, class teacher who will solve all of your doubts during the session. So if you're like, seems very interesting, and all you have to do is, if you want to know more about it, if you want to take up the subscription, just visit vdnt.in/ytpro and choose your grade, your board, and click on to the get subscription. But before proceeding to pay, just go through the type of subscription plans we have: 1 month, 3 months and 6 months. So I would say 6 months is a really good plan where you will be able to save 40%, and that's a huge amount, है ना? But only if you apply the coupon code SURPRO. So first, of course, you will be able to save 14% and 29% on 3 months and 6 months course respectively. But if you use the coupon code SURPRO on all these pro subscription plans, you will be getting additional 15% discount. So if you're feeling, acha, this is a lot, then let me tell you, you also can do the mathematical calculations. But every session will cost you less than 10 rupees or around almost 10 rupees. You will get one Kit Kat, right? But you will be open to a new world of education where you will get to learn from some amazing master teachers, and in a very fun and interactive way with lots of videos, GIFs, images. Just visit vdnt.in/ytpro and do not forget the coupon code SURPRO. It is. Okay, chalo. Now let us talk about NTSC. What is NTSC? What is the full form of NTSC? That is the basic thing, right? First thing. So it is National Talent Search Examination. The name itself says National Talent Search Examination. So which body conducts this examination? So it is conducted by NCERT. You all know NCERT, right? So let me tell you, every year almost 30 lakh students apply for this program, but only 3,000 of them, they are awarded with a scholarship. Look at the competition. So guys, we need to start preparing for it from now. So NTSE, it is considered as one of the most prestigious examination in the country. And what is the type? What is the exam type? It is objective. Okay? Okay. And what are the advantages now? So advantages is also something we have to know. So NTSE, it gives a chance to get lifetime recognition as a NTSE scholar. Advantage, see, so you have to take up this exam during your, when you are in a 10th standard, okay? So obviously you are aware of all the competitive exams you will be taking in grade 12. This will give you a lot of practice. So you can get practice for competitive exams. And very important point is, if you crack NTSE, you will get scholarships until PhD. Until PhD. That is 1,250 rupees per month during class 11 and 12 and 2,000 rupees per month during UG and PG courses. Till you complete your education, you will be getting scholarships. That's really nice. Then the next very common question is, which grade students can appear for NTSE? It is for class 10 students, but 9 students, you can also start preparing from now so that you can be one step ahead, right? Yep. What is the eligibility criteria? So students, candidates who are currently studying in 10th standard can apply for this exam, and the Indian citizens studying abroad can also, they are also eligible to take up this examination. And there are two stages. Stage 1 is state level, and there are 2 parts, okay? So stage 1 of the exam is conducted in first week of November every year. So this year 2020 November, May, but we are not very sure because of this pandemic, it might get postponed. Okay, let us see. And stage 2 of the exam is conducted in May next year, that is 2021. Okay, so usually it is conducted in November and May. Stage 1 in November, stage 2 in May. So stage 1 is state level exam. It is held in offline mode, but now though we never know. And state level exam mein, there are 2 sections. One is MAT and the second one is SAT. So MAT will have 100 questions and SAT also will have 100 questions. Now SAT will be based on the academic, science, mathematics and social science, and MAT is about, it will test your observation skills, ability, that is what it is based on. Okay, so what is the paper pattern? As I told you, MAT 100 questions hoga and the number of marks is 100. Duration you will get 120 minutes. Same for SAT also, 100 questions, number of marks 100 and time duration is 120. And stage 2 is national level. The pattern is exactly same, but it is conducted in national level. Stage 1 is state level. If you are eligible, if you crack it, then only you can go for stage 2. And one more very important and very good thing is, there is no negative marking. What is negative marking? So what happens, I have answered one question rightly, so I have been awarded with 1 mark, and the second question is wrong. Okay, I have chosen a wrong option, so I will be awarded with a negative marking. For example, it depends, minus 0.25. Then my total marking will be 1 minus 0.25, that is 0.75. This is what is negative marking. So try to avoid this. But the good thing is, there is no negative marking, right? And MAT, as I told you before, this section would test your reasoning ability, observation skills and and visualizing space and orientation. So these are the few topics of math: alphabet test, classification, analogy, blood relation, coding and decoding, cubes and dice, mathematical operations, missing characters, number and ranking, non-verbal classification, non-verbal figure partition, paper folding, puzzle test, series completion, Venn diagram, ratio and proportion, time and work, simple and compound interest. So such very basic concepts which test your observation skills. Okay, yes. And next is where we need to be concentrating on, it is SAT, because it would test you in the fields of mathematics, science and social science, and science में तो chemistry भी है. Okay, but there is no prescribed syllabus for SAT, but you will be the questions will be usually based on the syllabus of 9th and 10th. Interesting. Very important question is how to crack it. See, first thing, 9th and 10th exam textbooks is enough for NTSC exam, and don't just create a massive library. Just choose the reference book and stick to them. Okay, that is it. Don't just go on collecting, this book is good for good, she suggested me this one and all that. Don't do that, otherwise it will just create confusion and then you won't be able to learn properly. Okay, and then the content should have enough practice questions for SAT and math section, obviously. But today I am telling you that we will help you crack it. So let us crack NTSC together. All I would want from your side is keep practicing, and whatever the challenges I give you, do it, solve it, and make sure you're watching the video and practice and have this confidence and strong determination that you can actually crack it. That's it. Come with that determination and dedication. We will help you crack NTSC. So after this, of course, we are good to go. Okay, thank you so much. So this is what I wanted to tell you or let you know, guys, before we are actually starting with the NTSC series. And if you want to be a pro subscriber, if you have missed any points, if you are not there at the beginning of the session, then all you have to do is just click on the link given in the description box, that is vdnt.in/ytpro, and 3 easy peasy steps here. Choose your grade, your board, and click onto the get subscription. So there are many FAQs also, and everything has been explained beautifully in this page, so you can go for it. And do not forget to use the coupon code SURPRO for additional 15% discount. So thank you so much. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel so we can start preparing for NTSC and the board examinations also, because in this channel we are coming up with very new series, Know Your Element and Amazing Facts, where we are trying to impart some additional knowledge about chemistry also. So okay, you all have liked the video, right? Make sure share it with your friends also, so that even they can know and even they can start preparing for NTSC. Thank you so much. Till now, it was Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedanta.